From the first time that Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Funky Diamond, as you guys know already, and if you're new to my channel, I'm Funky Diamond. Welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe before you leave. Okay, don't leave, don't watch and leave. Please subscribe to my channel. So today's video, it's unboxing. I just got myself a mini camera for vlogs. Actually, like I've been trying to get myself a decent vlog camera for the past 1 year now, but unfortunately all the ones I've been seeing are on the high budget. Like, they are expensive and I don't have the money to buy that kind of camera. But on this particular blessed day, like, I always just go online, search for, and again, one of the camera I was looking for vlog is the one that have flip-flop. So on this fateful day, I just said, you know, Funky, try your luck again, go on Amazon, type flip-flop flip-flop camera, maybe you're going to see the camera. And I went on Amazon, I put on flip-flop vlog camera or something like that. I just saw this very cheap one. Like, wait, so I went ahead to place an order for this thing, and I got the delivery yesterday. Now I want to do the unboxing to see what is inside. Like, it's very cheap compared to what I've been seeing online, so I'm just gonna open the box to see what is inside. So here comes the camera. It's called digital camera, and I'm just gonna open it to see what's inside. So that's the manual book, and okay, they've got 2 batteries. That's cool though. That's cool. Okay, I don't know what this one is for. I don't know, maybe it's the lens. This one is the rope for the camera, and I don't know what this is. I need to open this. We've got the charger, and finally we've got the camera, and everything is empty. So I've got the camera, 2 batteries, the rope or the trap, whatever, the lens, the charger, and what again, and this transparent thing. I don't know what it's called. I think it's part of the lens. Oh yeah, come to Brad. Oh my god, look at this beautiful camera. So this is what I mean by flip-flop. Like, so when I'm recording, I can actually see myself, and that's one of the things I was like going for, that I really want a camera that, you know, I can see myself when I'm recording. And this is very light. It's really light. I love this. It has a flash as well, so in case I need a flash, I can put on the flash. It has yeah, it has where I can put my, you know, my tripod, which is good. It has so this is where the battery goes, and as well as the memory card. I'm going to put one of the battery and put it on and see, because so yeah, the memory card is in there now, and this is the on, this is the power. It says welcome, and I'm gonna show you guys something. So now, oh, if I'm actually recording, I can. The quality, let me show you guys. I don't really know. So this is how the quality of the camera is. I'm not really like, I don't know. So yeah, the quality is not that great, but it's still manageable. Like I can still use it for whatever I want to use it for. And I think it depends on the lighting. I'm not really sure, but maybe if I'm outside it's gonna be better, but not really great. But for now, all I can say is that for the price, fine. The way, you know, the package and everything is good. Yeah, so if a beginner YouTuber or maybe someone that loves, you know, to blog, I think for a beginner this is actually good. It's like pocket friendly. The price is not bad. I can't actually say anything about the quality, but with what I showed you, I don't really like the way I'm looking. But I don't know if I'm outside or I'm doing, you know, normal vlog is going to come out well. But yeah, I think this is not bad for the price, and you know, for a start. I will see how it goes, and maybe when I am in the future, I'll be able to buy, you know, those standard one. But for now, I'm going to be using this like that. Okay, I've got it already. There's nothing, there's no returning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.